Welcome to my YouTube channel Aiza. Today we will discuss affiliate marketing for beginners. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performing based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing effort. Affiliate marketers are rewarded for bringing customers to the company through their own marketing efforts. They can do this by placing ads, banners, and other form of advertising on their website, YouTube channel, or social media channels. The benefits of affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing is a great way for beginners to get into the world of digital marketing. It provides an opportunity to make money without having to start from scratch. The benefits of affiliate marketing are many, but they are not always obvious at first glance. The biggest benefit is that it's a low barrier to industry. You don't need any special skills or qualification, just a computer and internet connection, and you can be up and running in no time. How to market your product as an affiliate marketer? Affiliate marketing is a form of internet marketing that allows you to make money by promoting other people's products. It is a great way to get started in the world of online marketing. The following are some tips on how to market your product as an affiliate marketer. Create a blog and share your experiences with the product with your readers. Write reviews of the product and publish them on your blog or other website. Share content about the product on social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and extra, and link it back to your website. Promote content about the product using paid ads on social media channels like Facebook and Google Ads. The secret to making money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. There are many different ways to make money with affiliate marketing, and there are many different types to get started with affiliate marketing. The secret to making money with affiliate marketing is to find a niche that you enjoy and then find products that fit into that niche. You can also start by finding a product and then finding a niche for it. This was our video about affiliate marketing for beginners. If you like my video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe my channel Aiza Tech.